Hi, it's Angeline here. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to incorporate some sequins into your stamped images and making it look so pretty. So for this stamp, I colored this Feeling Sad, Feeling Sorry by Phyllis Harris and colored it with my Prisma colored pencils. And I'm grabbing the Unity sequins here, which is Elsa and Cinderella, and I'm using the Mixed Media Adhesive by Thermal Web. So I'm going to be placing the adhesive just on her dress and just placing the sequins in a straight row by alternating between the larger and the mid-size sequins here. You could always do any patterns that you want. You could add 1, you can add 10 sequins, anything that you want, but I kind of like it being the entire dress. So here I'm just going to bling up the entire dress with tons of sequins. I've kept the design on the card rather simple because I wanted the focus to be on her dress. So off camera, I've also added some Newell glitter drops as the border of the card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!